Hi, and welcome to the Sinopia demo for Sprint 20. I'm Michelle Futornik, the Sinopia product owner. So in today's demo, I'm going to show you a new feature involving nested resource templates. So at the end of our last sprint, there was an issue where if you tried to open a resource template that referred to another resource template that was missing, you would get sent to a blank screen. So we fixed that issue, and I'm using this demo resource template that purposely points to a non-existent resource template to show you what the fix is. So in this demo template here on the staging environment, inside this resource template, there's one that is purposely pointing to something that doesn't exist. So previously, if you clicked this plus, you would get kicked out to a blank screen. Now, we give you a nice warning that even tells you which resource template is missing so that you can make sure you upload it or ask the owner of this resource template to upload it. Also new since our last demo is that the staging environment and the production environments are live. So I recommend you use stage.sinopia.io. So you should not have to use the development environment anymore. Now I'm going to show you another resource template that's another demo that'll show another new feature we have. So for literals, you can enter your value and you need to hit enter to save it. But then if you want to change your entered value, we've added a new feature that lets you bring that value back into the box and work on it some more. And also want to point out that the other sorts of field options are all working, like the ability to have a field that's not repeatable. If the resource template says a field is not repeatable, then you can enter in a value, but it won't let you enter in a second one unless you delete that first one. Also, we've got the tooltips working now. So we have two kinds of tooltips as determined by the person who created the resource template. One is a textual note. So if the person hovers over this, they'll get a message. And the other kind is a direct link to a URI. So here's where the Library of Congress would have their links to the RDA toolkit. That's where you could put in a link to any kind of outside reference material you want your catalogers to be able to refer to. And the other great thing that's going on now is the Preview RDF button. It's not complete, but it's in progress, and so you're going to start to see the shape of what the RDF will look like coming out of this template. And this is being worked on currently, so it'll be getting better each time you look at it. And this Save and Publish button is new. It doesn't work yet, but this is what you have to look forward to in our next sprint. Thanks.